Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the fuel theft from the JUTC. Now the JUTC announced that they put in some new measures to combat the theft of fuel, and it saved the company almost $30 million in 1 month. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they did and the safety measures. But the actual figure was $27 million was saved in fuel theft. Through a series of targeted interventions, the authorities have managed to prevent the theft of nearly $27 million worth of fuel in February 2025 alone. Now, I think everybody knows that there is fuel theft involving the JUTC, but I had no idea it was so much money. 27 million, that's almost 30 million a month. Times 12, that's $360 million a year. More than a quarter billion is stolen. Now, to put that in perspective, that is like between 7 and 9 tankers, fuel tankers, gas trucks full of diesel fuel. That is a lot of fuel. So it's good that the government is putting in these measures to save money, because the JUTC loses billions of dollars every year. The government has to subsidize them with billions. I think the last figure was over $10 billion. So it's good that they are putting in these measures, and also they're bringing in CNG buses that don't use diesel. They use compressed natural gas. And just to give you an idea, it costs about $60,000 to fuel a bus with diesel, but it costs $20,000 to fill it up of CNG gas. So it's a significant amount of savings. So going the route of CNG and the measures they're putting in to combat the theft of the diesel, they're definitely moving in the right direction. The Jamaican government has made significant strides in addressing a long-standing issue of fuel theft at the state-owned Jamaica Urban Transit Company. Through a series of targeted interventions, the authorities have managed to prevent the theft of nearly $27 million worth of fuel in February 2025 alone. This success highlights the effectiveness of intelligence gathering, enhanced security measures, and collaborative policing efforts, all of which have played a crucial role in disrupting what has been described as a decades-old problem. Fuel theft at JUTC has been a persistent issue, draining taxpayer dollars and affecting the efficiency of the public transportation system. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz revealed the staggering scale of the problem. Prior to the intervention, up to 250,000 liters of ultra-low sulfur diesel were being stolen each month, amounting to tens of millions of dollars in losses. Had this trend continued unchecked, it could have cost taxpayers over $322 million in a single year. The issue had become so entrenched that it required a comprehensive multi-agency approach to dismantle the illegal operations. The scale of fuel theft suggested that it was not merely the work of opportunistic criminals, but rather a well-organized network operating within and outside the JUTC system. To address the crisis, the government and law enforcement agencies introduced a combination of strict procedural changes and increased security presence. Among the key measures were: 1. Intelligence gathering and surveillance. Authorities utilized targeted intelligence operations to track and intercept illegal fuel transfers. 2. Stricter bus dispatch procedures. New protocols ensure tighter control over fuel usage and distribution within the JUTC system. 3. 24-hour police deployment. Security was significantly bolstered at the Spanish Town JUTC depot, a major hub for the theft. 4. Joint operations with law enforcement. The JUTC collaborated with the Spanish Town Police, leading to multiple fuel seizures and arrests. These measures have already yielded impressive results. The quantity of stolen fuel dropped from a peak of 250,000 liters in December 2024 to just 93,600 liters in February 2025, marking a sharp decline in illegal activity. Alright guys, so that's on the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.